High Court 1. This situation, we find ourselves in High Court 1. High Court 1 Ondo Judicial Division. This is the deplorable condition of High Court 1 Ondo Judicial Division. You can see how it's leaking. This is High Court 1. This situation, we find ourselves in High Court 1. High Court 1 Ondo Judicial Division. This is the deplorable condition of High Court 1 Ondo Judicial Division. You can see how it's leaking.
Fellow Biafrans and lovers of freedom, this is going to be 5 minutes or less than that. I had always kept quiet, but now I am going to speak up. Ogechkunkere cannot rub mud on this freedom. I am Vam Vam Vam. I am the armor bearer of the Prime Minister. Yes, in your office right now, as APM that you were given, I will cease from henceforth to call myself Deputy Prime Minister. I am Vam Vam Vam, the armor bearer. And now I am going to let the cat out of the bag. Ogechkunkere, your crimes will be fully exposed by Vam Vam Vam. Believe me, you are not going to take Biafrans for a ride, and you are not going to take the Prime Minister for a ride. You have no office. As far as I am concerned, you have no office without CRC, you have no office without BAC, and you have no office without the Prime Minister. And I am under the authority of the Prime Minister telling you to shut down everything you are doing and all the lies you are telling Biafrans. The account you are talking about belongs to Biafrans. The account you are fighting, belongs to the Biafran people. The resources to protect Biafra does not belong to you. If you have any resources, put it out into Biafra and stop this nonsense. I will let the cat out of the bag sequentially. But for you to come and think you can bully people to submission, we stopped Ngozi. And because you are worse than Ngozi, you didn't let us start with the truth. I'm going to start with a letter that the PM's attorney released to you, Ngozi Arabueze, and the Madabo, and Uche, what's that his surname? Uche, Obajak, or whatever his name is. I will release that letter, and I am going to show it to Biafrans. And you will tell Biafrans why you are scared of confronting the truth, and why you are dodging the Prime Minister, and why you want the Prime Minister to rot in jail, and why you have insistently been fighting anyone that is going to present themselves to the Prime Minister. Why did you refuse to go to Finland? Nobody is chasing you. You can go to Finland. So why did you refuse to go to Finland? And why are you working against the Prime Minister, decision? Why? CRC, is the one that puts you in office. You signed documents that you will follow due process. And before you come out live, you will, relate with the CRC, relate with BAC before you come out live. And you feel you have a shoulder now. You are APM. Remember, you are APM. You are not the PM. I have always decided never to come out and start talking blah, blah, blah about you. But I stand on the integrity of Biafra and on the lives that have been sacrificed for this Biafra to tell you, Ogechukwu, that you must stop. And if you refuse to stop, I, Vam Vam Vam, will stop you. Whoever sent you, I don't know. Whoever you are working for, I don't know. I don't work on assumption. They have accused you of working with the governors of the East. Ngozi Orabueze have accused you of working with the governors, and she is working with the federal. Wherever you and Ngozi left your cloth, you people will go and pick it, not on the head of Biafrans. Whatever you have done in the homeland, working together with people in the homeland to subvert everything that is meant for this liberation, for this freedom, it is dead on arrival. I am out for this. Not out for you, but out for the truth. And the truth must prevail. The PM has given instruction and you must obey it. If you don't obey it, you will be kicked out. And everyone that wants to follow you, just the way Ngozi opened his own institution, you open your own. Because the only reason why you are bragging is because the registration of Biafra, this movement, was done by you. You understand? And it is based on trust it was done by you. And now you want to colonize everything. You want to drag everything. Nobody likes you. We have been managing to patch your ass and make people, believe in you. You don't have what it takes. You don't. So all we needed to do was for you to be there and everybody will assist you to get the job done. I personally was surprised that you accepted to be APM. I was surprised because I don't know what you are looking for. I don't know what you are looking for. Why did you shut Amodi down from going to Finland? Why did you try to stop Dr. Bryson Okoma from going to Finland? Why did you not go to Finland? Why did you stop or refuse to give updates to Biafrans when we go to Finland and come back? Why did you refuse to? You don't even care for any update from PM's court case because you felt PM will remain in prison. You think I don't know that you have conspired to lie to Biafrans that PM is not stable? Why did you tell people that PM is not fit, that you are the one that is needed in the corridors of power in Washington, D.C., and that they prefer you instead of the PM, and that you will do the job instead of the PM? You have tried to overthrow the PM, and I knew it. That's why I was telling Biafrans that nothing like, His Excellency, only PM Simon Ekpa has His Excellency. You know why I was saying that? And now you're telling people that you were feeding me. You think your money can buy me $1,000 you gave to me? Yes, you did give me $1,000. I will bring out the receipt of all the money you gave to me. I have all the receipts. But all the money you gave to me, you never gave them to me to buy me. And that is why you will know now that you are not facing me. You are facing Biafra. And the gods of Biafra will stop you. This is just the beginning. I don't know, Mama Biafra will educate Biafrans on why they must go to the website and put in what they have for the Biafran people. You cannot carry it. If you love Biafra, then put that thing that you have into that website. That website will no longer be in your control. The account will no longer be in your control. Cry to high heavens. If you like, choke. We don't care. A lot have given up for Biafra. You won't be too much. I am Vam Vam Vam. So please, stop this nonsense. Lives have gone. Stop it and stop lying to Biafra. And for you, Sonia Parawa, you are done for. And I pity for you. I told you that Ogechukwu will lead you into the pit. And here you are inside the pit. It's a pity that you have left righteousness and truth. And lies and deceit have become your watchword now. I am sorry for you. Biafrans, I will be up for question and answers when I have time, probably in the evening. After I don't know who have finished presentation, I will be open for question and answers. It will be Ask Pastor Vam Vam Vam. Let's go for it. Oh, hey, Biafra. Our Prime Minister, Man Simon Ekpa, you are the finisher, and you have promised to get the job done. And yes, you will do it. I am not fighting Ogechukwu, but I am exposing his deceit and lies. If I was not the one that started telling Biafrans that you, all of a sudden you start calling the PM your boss, my boss, PM called you and asked you about your family, who cares? Everybody have a family to care for. Everybody have a family. I have family. So if PM asks you how is your family, what has that got to do? PM have given you instruction. Why not obey it? Biafrans, be very careful. Don't be gullible. People are dancing behind the Ngozi Araboeze. Most of you now stupid and sheepishly are now dancing behind the APM. Don't let me go there. An ex-convict cannot be the prime minister of Biafra. An ex-convict cannot be the prime minister of Biafra. I am open for questions and answers. Airborne.
Many times our Fulani herdsmen come on social media and be talking about their account, who manage it and who don't. How many times have they come with this accountability of this and this and that? Biafrans, wake up. If you think your name and history will be there, you have failed. We will take every negative thing out of Biafran history so that when our children grow up, they will read history of good people. We will not take the evil ones with their identity, with anything they lay their evil hand. That will not follow us into Biafra land. That will not happen. We will get it right. Everything will be done right when the due time comes.
I'm telling you the truth. You may not like it, but it's the truth. There is no freedom fighting outfit in the entire world that is led by somebody who is poor. Impossible. You must be learned and you must come from a middle class background, or else you cannot run it. Things of the world will get into you. You begin to pursue money and wealth, and you forget what you're there to accomplish. That is why Obunyononto cannot lead any freedom fight. For the selling opera and the goosey. I'm telling you the truth. You may not like it, but it's the truth. There is no freedom fighting outfit in the entire world that is led by somebody who is poor. Impossible. You must be learned and you must come from a middle class background, or else you cannot run it. Things of the world will get into you. You begin to pursue money and wealth, and you forget what you're there to accomplish. That is why Obunyononto cannot lead.
Terrorist cow. If I have not one, yes, we would just everybody. Ogen kele bulu ne suicide na be ngozo ala bueze bulu suicide na abia. Happen na social media hedo la ya na ba na eso okwu. I just dey laugh. I just keep quiet. Make am binya yo to am. Make am binya yo to am. Owo na agbala m nkiti since. O te no ogen kele na aputa na. Ala o yiro o te no yo na yiro na aputa. Make am binya some adamu bikom no. Anamedi are inside me. Not knowing that this idiot called Egeke is a terrorist. Worse than Ngozi Arabeze. But I will tell you people, no matter how wicked and strong heart you have, you will not go. You can never go nowhere with it. We go where now we stay here. When can amen and Zuzu? One can amen and Zuzu. But only eventually you've got Biafran government in exile cabinet. The genuine ones. Mwana no can with a sabo or gube. And you fish all these saboteurs. Noni mono. Fish them out and kick them out. Because a Franco is never meeting, cabinet meeting unu neme, so that kalawa, non a live, na this thing, ne play the meeting unu neme. a na-anụ meeting unu na-eme na Twitter.
All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So we are here this hour to do the needful, to do justice to this information that, according to our title, you can see that how the dissolved CRC chairman created APM, how the whole thing somehow linked to the formation of APM, and why they chose to do that. And remember, dissolved CRC. A CRC that was created by the people, and they decided to end it by voting within the cabinet. Cabinet formed CRC. Cabinet dissolved CRC. The CRC look at themselves as, okay, even though we are dissolved, we don't like this USB government. Yes, we are here for Biafran redeclaration. Somehow, directly or indirectly, we are in support. We voted for that, and we are here to do that. And they ended up creating, acting as if they support USB, for relocation of Biafra. Then after that, they say, okay, let us see how the whole thing will unfold. They now realize that there's a new cabinet, a new government, meaning that we are no longer functioning as honorable and cabinet members and the rest of them. They say, no, we don't used to answer our real name. We are already used to honorable this and honorable that. Therefore, let us see a way we can go back to our root. In their mind, their root is to attach honorable in their name. All of them begin to commit one crime to another in the name of nobody notice me. We are, my paddy is here. We are in this together. Everything is now leaking left and right. Unless if you don't pay attention, you will never ever follow the trending news, their actions that are being made in the public domain. Lord have mercy. Everything that many of them have done is now visible for you to see. I don't know, honestly, I don't know where to start, but I will try my best to start from somewhere. Like the title said, the dissolved CRC. It's not only peculiar to CRC. For example, this woman here on the screen is not a member of CRC. But when you begin to check her own actions, you may not be able to differentiate her from CRC. This woman here. She have done more harm than good. In fact, her atrocities is from different planets. Why horrible? I don't understand. Honorable. I don't understand what you mean by that. CRC, their job is somehow, you may say because of their position, because of they are close to PM, because they have served as CRC. But this one here, she did not serve anywhere. But she have done more harm, more than people that have office. Do you understand? Many of you can analyze that. Many of you know what she is all about. But let us move to another person. This guy, the Eggman. The Eggman. Listen. Just hear this short clip from the one that you just watched before.
You told someone that you will buy the media.
Mm-hmm.
So when I was told that yesterday, somebody told me, confided in him or her, because I don't want to reveal this identity, that he was going to buy over the media. So what you wanted to do was to buy over the media, and you have done it.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? And you have done it to buy the media.
Okay.
Thank you, Adelele. Thank you, Adelele. Now, the most important thing I am going to be telling you guys this morning is that many of these people have
betrayed Obatobia, isn't it? None of my people. Last time we checked, this guy is in the media. In fact, he's former deputy information minister, former. Before he was made deputy information minister, he was already in the media, independent media that transformed to government media. Okay? And he said that, okay, can have bought the media, negative, because this is how the whole thing started. Before Gingere paid the media, he said he has already done it. He also said in his video that he was with Ogengere in Finland, they're having discussion and planning together. Now, after the declaration, what was his action? What did he do? He started siding Ogengere, meaning that the money that he said that Ogengere paid him is intentional. Like he knows what that money is for. He knows. It's not as if, because if you listen to the part where he talked about you paid me, yes, you gave me $1,000. I have all the receipts. He said, but you did not give me that money to buy me, to buy me. That now you are not going to face me, you are going to face Biafrans. Here, he's at the meeting that he bought the media. And he said he confirmed it, he reconfirmed it again by saying, you have done it. You want to buy the media and you have done it. The question is, when did he buy the media? I have asked this question before. The reason why I'm trying to touch it, for you to know how Imam Madabo begin to play his own role. Knowing for the fact that people like this are somehow buying into the idea of forming Ogengere as APM. They created the name, the office, and everything. The reason is because they don't like CS. They don't want to work with the CS. Therefore, everything must crash down, and they have to create a comfortable place where they will be for some time. They have to create that space for their own good, for their own selfishness. And the annoying part is that they will talk around and begin to point finger at other people, telling you that this is your problem, this is your enemy, this is the person, this. For example, let's go back to why you such a bit before we move forward. When she started her own madness, it was like, hey, and everybody about being sacked. Everybody about being said you are taboo. Everybody about being said that you are forbidden. You are the one. That is what you are calling back. That was her statement. She was saying those things to make you believe that COS is an enemy to PM and that she don't mean anything good for Biafrans. That is why she said that Caterpillar is Caterpillar a good person? I don't know him. The story I'm hearing about Caterpillar is terrible. Let me repeat. The story that some people have told me about Caterpillar is terrible. It's not something that anyone would like to associate himself to Caterpillar, if that is true. Like I said, I don't have evidence to that, but that's what I was told. Not one, not two, not three. Meaning that if after all COS is working with the Caterpillar, it's not good, it's not a good thing. But the way this one is putting it out there is different from the way it is. What do I mean by that? She is working with the Caterpillar. She have worked with the Caterpillar. She have a very good and mutual, understandable, lovely communication and contact with the Caterpillar. Whether in the past or not, I don't know, but I can tell you she have been very close to Caterpillar for some time, if not now. Because the video where she, how many of you remember the video that she played on social media? Trying to talk down on different division army that they are soaking Gary. For you to know that the woman knows everything that she's doing, that was a video sent to her by Caterpillar. By the same Caterpillar. Long time ago. Not even after the declaration. It had been like that before everything, because she had been in very good contact with the Caterpillar. Caterpillar sent that video to her, where some people were talking during the time of ESN. Or maybe during the time that PM actually rescued ESN members from DS, from being bought by DS, who were buying them, in numbers based on the fact that they are supporting PM or they are listening to PM broadcast. There was a time, if you listen to PM broadcast in the camp of ESN, they will send you to judgment. So these are things that happened there. This woman was playing that video of Caterpillar just to make people believe that somehow the hunger is now in the camp of Biafran Liberation Army. But that's happened to be the video before. And how did he manage to get the video? Caterpillar, that she's claiming that COS, that is a sin of CS, and that's why everyone must be set ablaze. She was playing that video, and the video that she got from the same man called Caterpillar. It did not end there. There's another clip that I want you to watch. Hear what she said about Caterpillar. Pay attention.
Oh my God, but for that money, can we make the criminals when they go kunota? The criminals when they go kunota by this man Anna Kedefa, this idiot Anna Kedifa and Anna Kedifa and Anna Kedifa and this guy designer from this thing. It is on me for that guy. Ejibun picture that guy. Me I told the picture. Put on here. On when Caterpillar sending him picture this Kedafa this.
Now, when Caterpillar said them pictured the guy. When Caterpillar said them pictured the guy. Now, the same Caterpillar that you are calling head of COS for talking to him, according to you, nobody have evidence if that is true. The same Caterpillar, you are trying to cover something up, but you did not tell people that are listening to you that this Caterpillar is a close friend to you. Listen, the man that he's trying to, remember his name is Success. She later actually mentioned Success in the clip. But I want you to understand that this woman has been in a very good contact with the Caterpillar. They will eat something and go away and try to criticize anybody that get close to that thing. Sometimes they pretend that they're not even with this person, but when you go, you get tough. They'll start talking nice things, nice stuff about the person. Like I told you, I'm not here to tell Caterpillar is a jail. I don't know him. In fact, the information that I was told about him, about Caterpillar, is not good. But what I'm trying to remind you is that this woman is more closer to Caterpillar than anybody that you can think. Pay attention again. Just a moment.
About this guy I designed from this thing. It is on me for about that guy. Ejibun picture that guy. Me I told the picture. Put on here. On when Caterpillar sending him picture this Kedafa this Kedafa this idiot Kedafa ya no gen kele na. Kedafa this guy. Success. Success. No, Success.
So You can hear that. You can hear that. I'm not the one that said that. Success. Now, the same caterpillar is what you, researcher and seer, is you are using that to paint USB government bad. Very, very bad. As if you are innocent of that, like for real. This is you confirming that all of them have one thing in common. They always want to remember their paddy. Once you quarrel with one, once you quarrel with any one of them, anybody that have issue with any, like for example, that have issue with another person, they will go back to tell you, look, this person is my friend, let me cover him, let me cover her. Do you know that when you see Fallback Republic and what they're doing today, even though Genkere, I don't know, Aisha, they still maintain their friendship with some people that have been sacked from by PM. For example, the issue, this lady called Egbeje Job. How many of you remember her? What is the name of this lady? Madam Azoka. In fact, if you have time, I'm going to show you something in that regard. I will show you something that. So let us go straight to the issue that brought us here. The reason why we are here, which is how the dissolved CRC chairman, the CRC and their chairman created APM, which is Oginkere. At the beginning of the USB, after redeclaration of USB, in fact, during the convention, we saw Imam Dabo sitting on a road chair with Oginkere and some other people very close to Oginkere. Ruby Nadia, I believe there's a lady there. It should be the Ruby Nadia, I believe. I'm not sure. Then the guy called Amobi was there, who happened to be Oginkere COS as we speak. COS. Then Oginkere himself was there, Imam Madab, and I think there are other people. So, judging them or looking at them, you can see that they were not happy. They were not happy because of what? Their personal reasons. Not for any other thing. For their own personal reasons. And I'm saying that they were planning together, going out together, coming back. This is the question. Planning for what? And this is how they initiated the idea of creating APM, acting prime minister, and the resuscitate what is it called? CRC. They went back and somehow bring them back, change their job, give them what they want them to do, and put that out there as if that thing exists. But they refuse to talk about this singular issue, which is, was it true or is it true that CRC has been dissolved? If yes, then why bringing it back? Do you understand? Why bringing it back? Why bringing it back? Because they have been these cabinet members. They always vote about it. Imam Badabo refused. He insisted by making sure that they bring everything back. In his mind, he was doing the right thing, or he's doing the right thing. This is something that people need to. You don't need to discard it. You don't need to say, take it like lightly or say, okay, it doesn't matter. It does matter. It matters a lot, because that is the reason why everything is the way it is now. That is, I'm trying to position this thing very well. No, not like this. Not like this. Not like this. Let me, find a way. I think this is more better. Now, they created the ATM as a position, and not only that, they said, okay, let us see how we can make it look like it is real. They did not cast any vote. They did not allow Biafran to make any choice. There's nothing like that within within the CRC group. A group, like I told you, Biafran have actually dissolved it. They have ended it. They have ended it. The same group is what they brought them back and use them as if they are the one that have the right to cast vote, to elect anybody, to choose anybody. Not at all. They fabricated a story telling you that they put a requirement there. That requirement, according to what our mommy told us here, which I'm still looking for that memo, where they said for you to contest for the office of their APM, that you must have so thing in common. You must be very close to men on ground. There must be some on like funny information. Okay, some funny ideas. By the end of the day, you will find out that nobody is qualified to contest an Ogenkere. So unopposed. Who created that kind of qualification method? CRC, a group that have been dissolved unanimously by Biafrans. They make sure that they put a template whereby anybody that want to contest as APM, their own APM, the person must meet these social criteria. The reason why they put that criteria there, because they want you they want you to find it difficult to get to any position to challenge the Ogekere, because they know that they are afraid that anybody that comes up may win Ogekere, because he's not the choice at all, due to his arrogancy and his quest to rule, his desire, he's so desperate. He is too desperate to be in the helm of affair. They remember that they saw all those things coming. They know, but they want to patch it. Let's manage it. Let us keep doing it. We are getting there, guys. Put your hands. We can do it. Put your hand. We can do it. That was what they were doing that, knowing for a fact that this thing they're doing is not going to help anybody. In fact, what you are doing, instead of helping people, you are going to destroy a lot of things. Now, they told us that some people somehow maybe they applied, but at the end of the screening, it was Ogekere that is qualified. He is the qualified candidate. The name of the people that contest, they said that the screen was not mentioned. Their picture was not placed to the public, meaning that there was nobody. It's a just fabricated story. A matured man of Imam Madabo's age is doing this kind of, act, kind of criminal act, manipulating everything to promote his own. Then they finally said that Ogekere have been elected by who? That Biafran, because here this is video where they kind of swearing in of Ogekere. That's what I'm about to watch now. Throwback video. Then when you watch this video, you can see, just pay attention to what Imam Madabo said, that Biafrans has spoken. After cooking all this stuff that I just told you, he came on a live broadcast like this, that Biafran has spoken. Biafrans, really? Now, without wasting much of your time, hear this.
CRC Minister, unmute yourself. CRC Minister, we
unmute yourself.
Unmute yourself, sir.
Sorry, I didn't even know. Sorry. So where is our elected acting Prime Minister. Where is he? Honorable acting Prime Minister. Biafra want to see you, your beautiful face again. Yes. Wow. Congratulations. Once again. We move. Yes, yes.
Oh, God.
Acting Prime Minister.
I believe that the woman in the middle here is Ruby Nade Negenti, because these are people telling you that, oh, we know, we are aware that he's a criminal far back in January or February. We know, we understand. He's a criminal. This gang that we are seeing today, this gang of Biafra Unite, this gang of Adao Aisha, one of Nigeria, this gang of Ezenago, why is such in France, this gang of the Eggman, the gang of Imam Madabo, the Managwofe, this gang are the reason why USB and our land is bleeding. These are elements of the strength of the failed Ogegere regime. Because it is failed because it is not real. Now, they are here. You can see Eggman. After them, then who used to call him after them? Aisha. Aisha was the one. Adokoko. She was the one that introduced that name. Where is Aisha today? Aisha is not telling that Ogegere is a criminal. That the annoying part is that all of them are demitted. They are accepted that since February. They know, but it's not true. The truth of the matter is that before the even formation of reviving of CRC, because like I told you, they decided to restore CRC back just to use them to commit a crime. Before everything, they already know that Ogegere is not fit. That was why they stipulate these criteria that I mentioned to you. I cannot quote the criteria, verbatim, because I don't have a copy of that. But the only thing I want you to understand is that when they said, where's my camera? Excuse me. Yeah. When they said that they have to bring Ogegere out, and they keep on, they list some, they put some list of criteria that you have to meet those options for you to be able to be considered to the office of the ATM, which they themselves created. It was not in existence. But at the time of after Finland redeclaration, they started searching for a way to dethrone the new government, to sabotage the new government, to drag your attention to the old government and take your attention away from the new government by blackmailing US and everybody. They used to call everybody sabo. Once you are with US, you are sabo in their eyes, in their mind. Many of them, even me, that has nothing to do with what is going on. They called me. Look, these people, they know. It was the fear of who Ogegere is, what they know, that made them to put out such options, because they have to put it that way so that nobody will meet the qualification and the criteria. But Eggman saw the whole thing. What did he say? That he was surprised that Ogegere accept or agree to become APM. He don't need it. What he's doing with it? That he was surprised, but he was there clapping for him after as if that he had prayed all his life for a day like this. Ogegere, please come and help us. Ogegere, please. That was the joy. Now pay attention to the beginning again.
Sorry, I didn't even know. Sorry. So here is our elected acting Prime Minister. Where is he? Honorable acting Prime Minister. Biafran want to see you, your beautiful face again. Yes. Wow. Congratulations. Once again. We move. We move. Yes, yes.
Oh, everybody.
Acting Prime Minister.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Congratulations.
You are muted, Mazi.
Yeah.
Acting PM, you are muted. You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, okay. Yes,
Unmute
unmute yourself.
yourself.
Okay. So the next step, now that Biafrans have spoken, they have.
Did you just hear that? Our next step, now that Biafran has spoken. Listen again. Pay attention.
Yes, unmute yourself. Okay. So the next step, now that Biafrans have spoken, they have.
Yes.
Please, if you are one of those that are, if you are the one that Mama Dabo heard your voice when he said that you have spoken, please help you put it in a comment section, or maybe call my attention. I will send you a link so you come and you can join us here and they tell us how you made your speech, that the Mama Dabo heard your voice, and maybe your voice brought the message of ATM to him, and for that singular act, he was pushed because of your voice to swear in this your voice, this your choice.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Now the next step is
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. 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 Yourself. Okay. So the next step, now that Biafrans have spoken, they have.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. So the next step, now that Biafrans have spoken, they have.
Yes.
Biafrans have spoken, they have. Okay. So the next step, now that Biafrans have spoken, they have. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Let's continue.
Now the next step is to swear in our acting Prime Minister, Honorable Oget Kunkere. Our acting Prime Minister elect out of office. Honorable Oget Kunkere, the acting Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile. Please stand up, place your right hand on your chest and repeat after me.
On your chest, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, okay, thank you. I, Honorable Isaiah Anyogo, aka Ogechukwu Nkere, the acting Bridget Prime Minister-elect, in the absence of the Prime Minister, do hereby solemnly swear. I take an oath to serve as the acting Bridget Prime Minister and to relinquish such position upon the return of our Prime Minister to active duty. Position, I pledge to serve the people of Biafra truthfully, diligently, and to the best of my ability. So help me God. Honorable Isaiah, you can now repeat after me. I take an oath to serve as the acting Bridget Prime Minister. Should I cut it short? Yeah, okay, go ahead.
I take an oath to serve as the acting Brigade Prime Minister
and to relinquish such position upon the return of our Prime Minister to active duty.
And to relinquish such position upon the return of our Prime Minister to active duty.
Position, I pledge to serve the people of Biafra.
In this position, I pledge to serve the people of Biafra.
Truthfully,
truthfully, diligently,
best of my ability.
and to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Amen. He said, thank you very much. So, thank God.
Thank you, Honorable.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Now, let us go through it again.
Sorry, I didn't even know. Sorry. So, where is our elected acting prime minister? Where is he? Honorable acting prime minister. Biafran want to see you, your beautiful face again. Yes. Wow. Congratulations. Once again. We move. Yes, yes.
Oh, God.
Acting prime minister.
Yes.
You listen. You can hear what is the name of this guy? Eggman. Ebon. The same Ebon that is telling you now. And they noticed that since February or January, they have been trying to solve this problem. There's indoor confrontation, trying to solve it, trying to manage it indoor, but they couldn't. And now they're out to do the job, to save Biafrans. Biafrans, according to them, they love you, they care about you. But in Afghanistan, airborne.
Yes, thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Acting PM, you're muted. You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, okay. Yes, unmute yourself. Okay. So the next step, now that Biafrans have spoken, they have.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Now the next step is to swear in our acting Prime Minister, Honorable Oget Kunkere. Our acting Prime Minister elect out of office.
Now listen.
Honorable Oget Kunkere, the acting Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile. Please stand up, place your right hand on your chest.
Now, the number one question I want to ask is this. Who is Imam Madabo? Remember, from CRC, that he's the chairman of CRC, nothing more. CRC, a committee. Many of you women here, you remember during your time of your marriage, your traditional marriage, your white wedding, you have some committee of friends. Even men, you have some committee of friends, right? Committee. Immediately after your marriage, that committee ceases. They did not come back and start telling you, dictating for you, detecting things in your marriage for you. Nkechi, you have to always do this for your family. It's a must. We, the committee of friends, have spoken. Is it possible? You are planning your marriage as a man, and you called your friends, your committee of friends, that will help you to organize one or two things, help you to arrange one or two things. Committee of friends. And in that midst, in that committee, after your marriage, after everything has come and gone, then that committee again call for emergency meeting. How to change husband or wife for you. That we thought that you truly love this person, but you have come together and decided to deliberate on this because we did it in a rush. So we, the committee of friends of your marriage, we hereby change your wife for you. And I also swear again and something like that. Is it possible? Immediately after your marriage, the committee naturally dissolved. Now, if they said okay, they are there permanently, because if problem can come out anytime. Okay, let's assume that it is what I just said, like they are there. The question is, since they are there, this committee of friends, since they are there and looking for a way to solve problem, why is it that the chairman of that committee is the one creating problem for CRC, a department that is somehow idle, to have job in the government, to have a say? To the extent that they have become not only more powerful than the cabinet members, a conflict resolution, a committee that's supposed to be reporting to the cabinet of their findings. That's how it's supposed to be. Like, normally, if Mr. A and Mr. B is having problem in the cabinet, conflict resolution committee will look into it, do some investigation, deliberate on that, and present their findings to the cabinet for final decision. That is how it works. Not you dictating on how things will be, twisting the decision of cabinet members, going behind. You said you're a conflict. How can a conflict resolution committee be the one creating conflict? What kind of chairman would that be? Like you are there to handle any conflict. Then we don't have much conflict. You are not the one initiating conflict for you to have something to do, like for you to be more active and more viable in the eyes of the people. Because 1 month, 2 months, there's no conflict, you feel idle, and our people actually believe that for them to be in the cabinet or in the government, or to be in it, to have something doing, they must be in an office. Like, they want to have office, and that is a distraction, because the more you care and work for you to be in the helm of affairs, and you have a department the way you serve, blah blah blah, you lose track, you lose focus, because you have to secure your freedom first before this political battle that some of them love to engage themselves in. Because to me, you have to have something, you are supposed to finish the primary aspect of your job, like secure your freedom first. Then after, you cannot talk about what you can gain or what you can offer. Where is my position? Where is my office? That should be something that will come later. And they don't know that the way you carry yourself, the way you work, the way you contribute without being in the government is the reason why people would like to see you in the government. People would like to see you in the cabinet. People would like to see you in the helm of affairs, because they have seen that you somehow have an element of truthfulness in you. But guess what? All of them want their voice to be heard. That is why Imam Madabo undermined the presence of the cabinet members, begin to embrace and see himself as the alpha and omega in the government. I repeat, conflict resolution committee is not the one creating and introducing conflict here and there. Everything they have done is like introducing a new conflict for them, and you cannot create a problem and be the problem solver. It doesn't work that way. It's either you are good in creating problem, then others are good in solving the problem. You cannot create and be a solution to the problem. It doesn't work that way. Anytime you see someone who created a problem, be the one talking about how to solve the problem, and they're trying to bring idea on how to solve the problem, and people actually started believing that simply means that it is well orchestrated, act to deceive those who are not able to comprehend what is going on or what their intention may be. Because there are some of them, their intention is just for them to have something doing. We are idle for some months, let us have something. I want to call a meeting, I want to officiate a meeting, I want, that kind of thing. They started creating problem here and there. Because Ogekere did not just wake up, and so if those gangsters that are running away now did not back him up, he wouldn't have, succeeded in this nonsense. He may live his life wishing and desiring to become leader someday, but Once you give him green light, all the greediness in him will surface. And now they are fighting him, telling you, yeah, he's too greedy. He want to dominate. He want to seize everything. He want to hijack. Why wouldn't he want to hijack? When you backed him up to hijack in the first place, what do you expect? You are the one that teach him that hijacking is allowed. So now you complain about it, to me is funny. You are trying to sabotage, your saboteur. You want to sabotage your saboteur because you created this saboteur, and now you want to sabotage him. No. You have to live with what you created. That's what it is. Now listen.
Can you repeat after me? I
on your chest, sir.
Yeah,
you're right.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, okay, thank you.
Now, from conflict resolution committee chairman to electoral body, from not only electoral body, is from that to the judiciary body, because INEC and judiciary system is totally different. Do you understand? They're not. If you have INEC that conduct election, supervise the election, then judiciary will interpret everything. They will analyze how if you report to them, or if you happen to the final judgment of final result of INEC. INEC is like a Nigerian. That's what they call it in Nigeria, but the real name is electoral body, because anybody can have their own electoral system. So Nigerian own is Independent Electoral Commission, something like that, INEC. So, but here we're talking about, we are just using the name. We will just use the name electoral body, because their department, they're supposed to have their own. Then the man has been here when Wazirike started. I believe he's too old. He's older than to me, not way too old, but I'm not trying to insult him about his age. What I'm trying to say is that he's matured enough to know everything that happened during the time of Mazop, because he looked more older than Wazirike as we speak, meaning that everything happened to him in his adult age. So, did he see anybody who elected Raf Wazirike to become leader then? Did anybody elect Ojukwu? Among others, no. But by default, they are the leaders because of what if you have their voice and the actions. You don't need to compare. Before the redeclaration of Biafra, be honest to yourself. That's why I hate it when some of us pretend that they don't know, they don't see. When you know, you are just like Imam Adabanko. Those who know the truth and choose to do otherwise. Just for example, Ralph Wazirike that I mentioned started doing things, started talking about Biafra after they have created fear in the minds of Ndebai for speaking and talking about Biafra. I remember during my primary school days, if there's any video, any tape at all, like Biafran War, you have to hide it the way you're hiding Indian hemp. Like if you want to buy Indian hemp, you go somewhere and hide it. That was how the whole video, Biafran War video, like Civil War, the tape, for you to watch it, you have to close the door and close your window to watch it in Nigeria those days. You dare not even talk about it on the street. No. You have to go to one corner and talk about it. That you cannot if anybody sees you with Nigerian flag, just that someone whisper to Nigerian army that anything Biafran related, even Biafran coin, Biafran money, that Asian money that is in your house, the police will come for stop and search, or just house searching or something like that. In your house to find out if there's anything Biafra related in your house. That was how the whole thing went. Ralph Wazirike started talking about it boldly and formed another group, and all that. We know how the whole thing ended. No, he was not elected. He was not selected or being chosen by any gangsters. Someone Wankwo Ngozi Oroflami Haramatu Abubakar is dancing in America today. Foolish woman. But I challenge you, Solomon. tell me who you are, then I'll tell me who you go with, and I'll tell you who you are. Because now all of you are confused. That's why I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised about your comment. I'm not surprised. The same way you guys from the US was criticizing PM for dancing. Now can't jump on the Bunde by on baby. And I worry about on baby. Not one day member state to Bacarian. So dancing now is a problem. I don't want to change my topic because of your stupidity. So you have your right, you have your mouth to run it. But all I can say is that if you want to have a decent conversation, I am open for that. Of course, I know all of you want to run and pretend that to be what you are not. Now, the first time ever, now I know who you are. Ogenkere and Rabafulani are the same. I'm happy that you guys are senseless. You know why? Tomorrow, Biafra disunite, we wake up and tell you something, and he will tell you that every former member of Briggy and every member of current USB, that they are all saboteurs. You will come here and say you change your tone, and all of you are saboteurs. That's who you are, because your brain is in somebody's hands. And you're a man, no, that's an empire. You're a man. Even if you're a woman, must you be senseless? How much is sense, please? Someone should get this guy one. Only a few days ago, Fulani is a sabo. There's PM obey PM. PM say you should fall back to Ogi. Then after a few seconds, both Ogi and the fallback chairman and the fallback prince, the fallback king, Ogi Chikunkere, our APM is able man. He was one doing the marvelous things. All of a sudden, Fulani and both of them are not the same, really. And why is such is to brain pressing it beside the Mediterranean Sea, able to like we cross off from Libya. Ishibaliruno, honestly. Why don't you use your brain for once? Does it mean that they don't say vegetable where you reside? You don't have brain at all. All of you. That's why I am very, very happy. You know why I'm happy? That your stupidity is no longer difficult to comprehend. Anybody that have even just little sense of reason can see your anus. Maybe science. Shamelessly, you guys are talking. If you on your camera now, you can see a very big beard and some few features of hair like gray, white, white, there's a gray hair and all that around your body, meaning that you are a mature person. But why is such and Biafra unite? A masquerade is pressing your brain, punching your bubbles, and you are ranting and yapping nonsense. Look at your presentation here. Look at your people here. Listen to your department when they initiated the idea of from day one. If it can be truthful, it can't be truthful because you have to have some brain cells to know the truth and the falsehood. You can't differentiate both because the brain is not there. And they are the same thing. If I were in your position, which I would never be, I would not even make that comparison publicly. You know what I would have done? I would maintain my stand that we are here now. I don't want to talk about these people again. That should be your word. I don't want to talk about if let me just give you how I know how to be honorable for once. At least cover your nakedness. You cannot insult USB and CS for months, and there's nothing to get all this why. All of a sudden, because you want to conduct fundraising today, all of a sudden, and the CS is not the same. Why is such say that that both of them are working together? They are just pretending outside. I just kept quiet. Now listen, this man don't have any mandate. Is he swearing Ogenkere in as what? He said, but if you truly a genuine Biafran agitator, I'm not agitating, okay? I'm not an agitator. Where Orabufulani and Matu Abubakar and the criminal Ogenkere putting the money Biafrans are donating because Fulani terrorists, Janjaweed, are kidnapping us. You see the problem? You know, let me dash you some sense. Just few drop of sense. The people telling you those stories that they are saying now, can you swear with your, I don't know if your father is alive or your mother. I don't want to wish anybody dead, but can you swear with your life or the life of your entire generation that if Biafran begin to donate money to you now, let's assume that USB agreed to channel all the money to account of Rubinadi and account of Adokoko, okay? Every month that goes to the account. Can you swear in every assurance that kidnapping and killing will stop? You see, this is the reason why some of you don't have sense. You allow hate to lead you before your sense of reason. Why don't you, do you actually believe that everything that COS is doing, that I like it? No, that's something that I disagree, which is normal. Which is normal in every society. We must not agree on everything. If you want everything to go the way you want it, that means you are not a human being. You must be a robot. There's no way everything that USB is doing is 100% okay. Just like every other government. America, the same. No matter how you love Trump, it will get a point where Trump must do something that you don't like. Because Trump is a human being. Now you guys keep on saying, what are you doing all this, 7 months you did not do anything, 7 months you did not do anything. My question to you is this: are you not aware, or have you not seen a gang group of people in WhatsApp, which Sona Barawa was among them? They were discussing on how to report. They have actually reported COS to FBI when PM is still in, just to safeguard it, to maintain, to make sure that the only voice is Ogekere. And during that time, you, Solomon Wanko, you are busy supporting Ogekere, clapping for Ogekere. The gangsters with Ogekere was busy looking and searching for evidence to submit it to FBI just to get COS arrested. That in alone has actually exonerated COS from publishing anything that Biafran army under USB what they're doing. Because what I can imagine is when I say that I want them to testify, not to testify, to add more energy to army, to support army the more. My reason was not because they are not doing anything at all, but I want our bushes, those Fulanis that are kidnapping and ransacking villages, okay? I want those things to stop. I want criminality to stop. I want the kidnapping going on to stop. But guess what? People like you that allow hate to lead you instead of your sense of reason are the ones indirectly promoting this kidnapping and buying that you are talking about. And I will tell you how. When somebody wants to stop this thing, people from your camp are busy taking record of what the person is doing to report it so that that person will be scared or be afraid. Are you getting the point? Few weeks ago, all of you were supporting Ogekere for suing COS. Now you are telling me that COS and Ogekere is the same, meaning that Ogekere should also be sued. Then who are you then? You must not love person before you admit that person is doing right. You must not be a friend with everybody. You must not have a say in day-to-day activities of the government. Immediately you begin to push your agenda and what you want first before what is supposed to be, how it's supposed to be, then you are getting it wrong. You become a problem. Instead of a helper, you are now a problem. Distracting government again. Oh, Sisi Kagwana Gebuto Kulebok. You cannot just threaten the life of CS and USB government because do you know that you CRC used to talk in a different tone? She started, she started sounding more political correct because of you guys, and you don't use that kind of tone to pass message to Fulanis. They don't listen to that. They don't know what is political correctness. They don't know it. It's not in dictionary of Fulanis. They want to see you eye to eye. That's what Fulani understand. Eye to eye. You have to look at them in their eyes and talk to them. Not this kind of robbing. But she started doing that because of our people. People like you, Solomon. Now you are blaming Akbarawa. What is the difference between you and Akbarawa? Now how can you now exonerate Eggman and turn around and blame Akbarawa? That means you yourself, you are another evil. Look at your comment. You said Ngozo Rabo Fulani is agent of Nigeria. Now let us talk about this Fulani you are talking about. Let us discuss about Fulani. Okay, you know what, Solomon? Can you join me now? Let us talk about this just a little bit, because we have a little time now. Do you mind to join me now? If you're man enough, I'm not saying you join me with your camera. I want to let us hear from you. If just put yes or no, let me send the link to you, because I cannot be reading your comment and replying you back and forth like that. Okay? But while waiting for you to answer, this issue of Rabo Fulani, Hanebatu Abubakar, can you also swear with your manhood that what you are saying, that she's a Fulani woman, let your manhood shrink? If that is not true, can you swear that? Because I'm important of my man. Can you swear with your manhood that if COS is a Fulani man, let everything that you are doing, every you lay hands, whatever that make you a man, be excellent and more, in fact, you become more powerful than ever. Let God bless you in every ramification. But if not, let the punishment start from your manhood. Let your manhood shrink. I'm not saying that you should not stand though, but shrink. Anything that shrink will not stand. It will go beyond standing. It will shrink. It will just go back to flat. Can you swear that? You can't. It's a USB only talk, no action. Or I'm Fulani and Batu Abubakar to Fiakwa. Mugu. Now, like I said, can you do that? Be a man. Don't hide. Be a man. Even if you want you to use voice changer, so people will not detect your voice, I don't mind. He said, Oga, where I am, I cannot speak with anyone. I have told whom I am before. Ngozi Fulani is not genuine. No, you did not tell me. I don't know you. How can you say you told me? I don't know you. Where you are. So now you want to form men on ground. You are not men on ground. These are, you see, but where you are, you can comment. Where you are, you are allowed to call names. Swear, okay, don't even come anymore. Can you type now? I swear with my manhood that Ngozi is a Fulani woman. That if she's not a Fulani woman, let your manhood shrink. But if she's a Fulani woman, let everything good locate you. Long life and prosperity locate you. As long as she's a Fulani woman and her name is what you are typing here. Can you swear that? If you are, one thing some of you don't know is that if you are man on ground like you said you are, some of our youth don't even know there's rules that guide, Ibuayon. Push barrel. Oh, we will not guide the push barrel. Okay? Oh, we will not guide the push barrel. Some of you they push barrel. Now they be push barrel. Atoashi. Sabotage. Lingare. Na cause. Big bars. My brother, that person not the last you. Go and ask not the biggest. Go and ask anybody, thank you for that. Guy, please just forget Solomon. Thank you for that. For the sake of enable, let me translate what I just said in English language. Let me try my best. If you are But I don't want people to. If you are in homeland and you are one of the people that you don't sleep, you always, when your mother and your siblings are sleeping, you are awake in case of any thief, any armed robber that will come to steal from your compound. You know what I mean by that. You always watching and to make sure that things go in order. There's rules that guide that operation. There are some things that you don't need to. You are not allowed to do in life. You see, why you have to avoid it. To my girlfriend, say my boyfriend, so you have to avoid it when you don't sleep at night and you are a kind of watchdog. You don't lie, you don't fabricate stories against anybody. You are bound to take bribe. You are not allowed. It is haram. You don't take bribe. You can never be in a midst, in a gathering where they're discussing to go against the innocent. These things, once that's the purity. That's a way, like, kind of making sure that your hands are clean to maintain yourself, like to live a decent life. If you are doing that, when the dog is barking at your back, you will be in front. When the dog is barking in front, you will be at the back. Olua going to protect you. You wouldn't even know. It will be difficult for you to kiss dust. Very, very difficult, because you are living a decent, a clean, pure life. But some of you talking like a politician. You are talking like a politician, and you are pushing barrel. At night you'll be pushing barrel. Okay? Even sometimes daytime, you are known for pushing barrel. You need to ask any elderly person that can tell you the truth, what you must do and what you must not do. It's not let me live like normal life and you are pushing barrel. Any riot, any argument at all, you end up kissing dust. So Solomon, you better repent, if at all, but you don't sound like one. Honestly, you don't sound like one. Anyway, let's go back to the program, because I know this guy. He wanted to change the program, which I have actually given him offer for that. I gave him room to do that, but he failed woefully. So please, my people, make sure you like the video. As you are still here, make sure you like the video. Click on the like button. Very, very important. And Ngozi Obeze is doing a great job, my dear. You say it louder, because people don't understand. People don't understand. So some of you actually believe. It's a Kai report. Can you swear that Ngozi Fulani Alabatu Abubakar is not working with Nigerian terrorist government? I will swear if you swear with your manhood, like what I said, that her name is, because you still keep on mentioning Orabu Fulani Alabatu Abubakar. Because for you to say this thing you are saying, and you already, maybe you have a copy of her birth certificate. So if you prove that to me, I will join you, start calling her that. Secondly, if you prove to us that she's working with the Nigerian government, give us the evidence. We'll publish it here so that people will be like you. We want our eyes to open, like your own have opened. So make my eyes to open on that. Can you? No, you can't. But all you want me to believe that she's Habatu Abubakar or whatever you're talking about. She's Habatu Abubakar because she want to maintain what PM actually, the template that PM set. She want to maintain. So that's her sin. That's her sin. Like I said, does it mean that everything that COS is doing, like USB government is doing, that I like it? No, there's something that they are doing that I don't like. But it is minor to compare what you guys are doing. The issue of security, I've told you that area, because that's the only thing that you want to fault her on, that she is not, there's no action, there's talk, no action. Now, but you ignore those that are waiting for her to do action, to show you the action, so that they can use that to go and report her to FBI, which they have actually called the FBI. Not only her, before they begin to have his shenanigan, shenanigan that he want to sue people, want to sue Biafra and all that. Their attempt was to pick and stop job. If you are working with the USB government and you are working in the States, the attempt is to, his first attempt is to make sure that you lose your license and your job. That was their first move. They couldn't succeed on that. They are now trying to go to court. And I pray that that court will turn out to be the most miraculous thing in this recent age, by making sure that I will see making chop. Yes, now, because some of you don't understand. They thought that it's Mahmoud of INEC is in charge of American justice system. Anyway, let us see. Like I said, I'm not American. Some of you that live in America you have a better idea, a better thing to say than me. So let's go back to the swearing in of Imam Madabo, the retired CRC that resurrected again to do criminal activities to suit narrative and still doing it. Listen.
I, Honorable Isaiah Anyogo, aka Ogechukwu Nkere.
In Anugwafa. Are you hearing the name? Now listen. So starting from the name of this man, are they saying that they're just noticing that now? Okay, PM, who sworn PM in? Different Prime Minister, who sworn him in? When he was as a spokesperson to Mass America? No, but by default, he is. Nobody doubted it. Nobody, protested against it. He is a spokesperson, and he served very well. He's not about swearing in. When he introduced himself, when he mentioned his name, what is his name? Simon Ekpa Njoko. Where is the A? I'm still waiting for AKA. I'm still waiting for A. Okay, and AKA it sounds like somebody's name. Normally, AKA is just like a title. AKA Meji Buago, AKA Obatobie, AKA the good guy. That is AKA for you. A stands for also known as. That is AKA. Also known as. That is your name, and it does not end there. That also known as another discipline. That's the meaning of AKA. So when you say AKA Isaiah Ayog, AKA Ogechukwu Nkere, because Isaiah Ayog is, according to Imam Madabo, is his real name. How many of you call him his real name? But AKA, because that is the only reason why I believe that he have criminal record in US. Because for you to change your name like that simply means that once the name is, when they queue your name in the system, it will never bring out the criminal record for anybody who don't know him. That could be the reason. Now listen.
Bridget Prime Minister-elect, in the absence of the Prime Minister, do hereby solemnly swear. I take an oath to serve as the acting Bridget Prime Minister and to relinquish such position upon the return of our Prime Minister to active duty.
Now, this is where the man nailed himself without knowing that he can only give up this ATM when PM is here, so that he can relinquish it back to him. Listen to that again. Now, PM is not here, they're taking it from him. Now, listen.
Prime Minister, and to relinquish such position upon the return of our Prime Minister to active duty.
So even if PM is being released, according to what the man is quoting here, he will still be your APM until PM start working again. So even if they say PM, don't show yourself again, we don't want to agitate, that kind of thing, they will still drag him, back. They will drag Ogekere back to continue APM until PM must, decide to come out and continue. That is the only time that they will take him serious. Apart from that, no go area. Everything is stagnant. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's what these people. I don't know, but no,
Position, I pledge to serve the people of Biafra truthfully, diligently, and to the best of my ability. So help me God. Honorable Isaiah, you can now repeat after me. I take an oath to serve as the acting British Prime Minister. Should I cut it short? Yeah, okay, go ahead.
I take an oath to serve as the acting Brigade Prime Minister
and to relinquish such position upon the return of our Prime Minister to active duty.
And to relinquish such position upon the return of our Prime Minister to active duty.
Position: I pledge to serve the people of Biafra.
In this position, I pledge to serve the people of Biafra.
Truthfully.
Truthfully. Diligently.
Best of my ability.
And to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Now, to them, the ability is no longer what they want. To the ability, but it seems like we don't like the ability anymore. What has changed? The ability that you guys were clapping for, all of a sudden you don't like the ability anymore. Something must have happened. I don't know. So what is that thing that happened? You don't know. Oh God, these people. Everything that is going on is for a reason. Like I said, more things are still on the way. It's a matter of time. The truth must come out. The truth must come out. Let me just a moment. I'm trying my best to. Okay, let's go back to the. Let's go back because I was trying to save something.
Amen. He said, "Thank you very much."
Yeah.
So,
thank you, Honorable.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you all.
Yeah.
Thank you all. And I have a message for Biafrans. The message from the Biafra Republic government in exile, acting Prime Minister elect, Honorable Isaiah Enyogo, aka Ogechukwu Nkere.
Did you hear that? Nan Wokejiloni make Bozafian.
Isaiah Enyogo, aka government in exile, acting Prime Minister elect, Honorable Isaiah Enyogo, aka Ogechukwu Nkere. I salute our leader, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I salute our Honorable Prime Minister, His Excellency Ekpa Njoko.
The person that want to the admin number, you can. This is a link if you want to. If you want to, you said you want to call the program or you want to call me. You want to talk to me personally. I don't understand because if you want to join us in the program, the link has been shared. But the only thing I want to understand is that I don't always answer call on WhatsApp. Okay, in my program, so that's why I don't want to this idea of putting number constantly. But if you want to have my WhatsApp number, then that's a different thing. I will give you my WhatsApp number. I've actually displayed that here, some time ago. But if you want me to do it again, you let me know. So the link is here. The link is here. I am going to. We are not done yet. But if you want to join us, you can join from now. We can welcome anybody from now. There's something I want to bring for us to see. Many of you know this lady called Madam Azoka. Madam Azoka that had issue with PM, and she decided to resign on her own. Respectfully, PM did not want to sack her but she noticed that the room is no longer conducive for her, and she decided to open door by herself. Now, many of you need to understand one thing. Some of the people that are that is against USB is because of that COS is the one, leading. They don't want to work with her, not because the idea of USB is not what they want. All of them do want it, but the problem is, why must it be her? Why not me? I should be me, not any other person. Some also don't want to associate themselves because COS and their friend are not actually friends, and their friend is not with USB because of COS. Because of that singular act, because of that animosity, they chose to distance themselves from anything that has to do with USB, because in their mind, COS is the one piloting the affair. Why I'm saying this is because I remember when the time Sia and Isocha quarrel publicly on social media. The argument was, okay, you see, Madam Mazoka, Isocha speaking. Then Madam Mazoka, you are talking with Madam Mazoka. Madam Mazoka which is in the pie. Madam Mazoka is in the pie. Those days, which of course we know that there's no truth in that until other people confirm that. But for now, nobody can beat his or her chest and say, yeah, truly, this is the way it is. Now, Madam Azoka, after the declaration of Biafra, she started commenting, putting some comments, funny comments that goes against USB. And why I'm saying this because sometimes when you hear Sia commenting, saying some things, it's to me, I believe that Sia and Madam Azoka, maybe Sia is reading her post or they are communicating. One thing must be involved here, because there's no way Madam Azoka will be saying what she's saying, and that thing is somehow goes with what Sia believed on. Sia believed that Madam Azoka, that a USB government, putting phone number of people is an act of sabotage. Sia also believed that if USB government announce account, that is a taboo. Sia also believe that some people are, okay, you are 100% correct, thank you. Sia also believe that sometimes, people, not sometimes, in fact, anybody that been kidnapped or been arrested in our land is because of the activity of COS. Now, the question is, where did he get those information from? In case if you don't know, this is Madam Azoka. In case if you are confused, this is Madam Azoka here. All right, this is Madam Azoka. Now, this Madam Azoka you are seeing here, like I said, have some post. Like this screenshot that you are seeing here is from her, and we are going to scan through it quickly to know what she said. But before then, if you are new to the platform, please subscribe and like the video. Let me just welcome those that have joined me on the studio. We have Madam Origin and Lati Kevin. Let's start from Madam Origin. Let's hear from you before you go through the post of Madam Azoka. Let's hear from you, Madam.
Oh, thank you so much. As if you know, today is like I'm surprised I'm here. I greet everybody, please. I greet all our wonderful and faithful and amazing, well-meaning Biafrans. Quickly, Mr. Kite, and thank you so very much for all you do for Biafra. I'm going to digress a little bit, still on the same topic, but something I want to highlight, and I'm begging all Biafrans, is to really pay attention to. I know that as much as the contraption will want, they will want everything they're doing is to distract us, but we will attend and, you know, debunk all these lies, as well as, you know, pay attention to a few important matters. Now, this contraption have done a lot of damage. To be honest with you, you have no idea how much damage that system have caused us. I'm telling you, a typical Nigerian is afraid of truth. Whenever truth is spoken, it takes a lot of energy for them to accept truth, stand for truth, and above all things, defend truth. Because the system will force you to default to lie, to promote lie, and to get some dividends out of it. And because they have so much, you know, promoted and sponsored lie, people have defaulted into, whenever there is pressure for you to stand for truth and something is presented, you just give up. And that is what we must fight against. Now, honestly, by the time I began to look at more, what's going on?
Baba.
Continue.
So
Continue.
by the time you look into all that is going on, and I have issues with this Imam Madu album. Okay, one of the why I wanted to speak today is that, apart from, you know, how busy I am, is that now if you check the meeting they held on the 20th of December 2024, they called a meeting to tell Biafrans their reason for not following Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. And he said it was what Adadiorama said. The conflict, he framed what Adadiorama said as creating conflict, because from that meeting, I don't know when she said that, they said she was saying that she's noticing Kurukere and that she's not going to stand. She's standing behind Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, and that was why he wanted to resolve that issue. So he now brought this memo about creating an interim prime minister. That was his reason. But he forgot the first crisis, the first conflict, which boils down on Ogenkere. Why am I trying to analyze this and go and pinpoint and clarify this to Biafrans? Is that we are not going to continue with this. If we must move forward, we must address these issues, because it is enough is enough. This is merely Nigeria that they are drinking, and we can't drink that water inside Biafra land. Now, he forgot the raging crisis or conflict, which is that before Prime Minister was apprehended, he was talking about accountability. He was talking about the money. He was talking about coming this same Ogenkere to come and give accounts. He did not address that. All he could address is the conflict, which, because he said he's a conflict resolution master. So why did he jump on that to now what he said? I say what people say. He said why the CRC people decided is that they established a requirement. Because when I look at the whole requirement, he was stressing on one requirement. Maybe there may be more than one. All of them that are in the cabinet should tell us. But the one I had from his own mouth was more of that the requirement is that this person must be someone Prime Minister trusted to have contact with the armed forces of Biafra. But now, my question is, why should that be the only requirement? Why should you, and you all know this guy, and you know there is issue. And at the end of the day, you people handed over everything about the so-called government you people created in his hand. And you all looked away. You looked away for 7 months. But I think one of the things that opened their eyes was when they say, where is the army? He couldn't provide any. And now you people are coming to fall back to autopilot because you people know what you did. Now, I have to leave this before I get back to what I'm doing. You see, everybody can agitate. As you see me, we all are agitating for good governance, but not everybody can govern. I'm going to repeat that. Everybody can agitate, but not everybody can govern. So when it comes to one of the major problems, 2 problems we are having is that all of us are Biafra. If you're a Biafran, there is zeal in us. But the zeal without wisdom is dangerous. Wisdom comes from application of knowledge. Wisdom comes from application of knowledge. Knowledge comes from information and research. So if you are zealous, check if you have the right knowledge and the right information about what you want to do. So that at the end of the day, and that is one of the major problems that contraption is having. People shout and clamor and they say everything, ecolalia. I will fire Umoyagu, water Obiango. I will build skyscraper. I will build roads. But when it comes to action, they don't have the wherewithal. So let us pay attention to this, our zealousness, and kind of restrain it and constrain it. By the time they do all the hula baloo, and you give them the position, you see them, they just, brain is frozen. They can't do anything. But because they know that, because that contraction have trained them to steal, they keep on messing up the whole place. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this to say, let us not get too agitated. Let us not continue this thing we are doing. Let us pay attention and support our government. If I have told you people, I don't follow anybody. I research before you hear me say, okay, this woman, I think, because if she could, I know what it takes to build an institution called a health institution in this country. That one alone gives me a leeway to pick and say that's something that this woman can do right for us. And that being said, I insist that whatever these people have concocted, whether he did it because this man puts an iron behind his back to coronate him, or whether it is for his own gain, wrong is wrong. A lot of damage is already done, but we can, forget about all these things, all this nonsense they have done, and support our government. Support our government. If their own intention is to remain in agitation because of the gain, they have lost it. Because I tell them, the people that are awake are awake. The people, we have enough. We have Biafra land have what is causing the evil that is going on in that contraption is that it's not that they lack good people. It's just like the good people have been have been emasculated, and they have made it difficult for the good people to take over governance. But we are not going to let it happen in this Biafra. And that is where I am standing for. And I say, like you, is either good governance or nothing. I rest it there. Thank you so much, Mr. Kai, for letting me make this little contribution. Mr. Kai, are you there?
Please, can you hear me?
Now we can hear you.
Okay. So I have to thank you so much. You have spoken well. I love the way you put your your own contribution. You said you are going to somewhere, I think. Are you with us or you are rushing to somewhere?
Yeah, I'm rushing to somewhere. Yes, please.
Okay. See you again. God bless you,
All
man.
right, thank you.
I really appreciate you. God bless. And we have Lati Kevin. Lati Kevin, can we hear from you?
Yeah. Hello, brother. Good evening, my fellow beer friends. I don't know if you can hear me.
Lati Kevin, are you there? Are you there?
Yes, I'm there. I'm there. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. The mic is yours. Let's hear from you.
Yeah. Good evening, my fellow beer friends. Depending your location. First of all, my brother, I want to say a big thank you to what you are doing. I've been enjoying your program, on YouTube. Today it's my first time. I just tried when someone was asking some questions. You said that you paste the link on the browser. I tried and I got myself here. So this is my first time. I haven't done this thing before, but since I have the opportunity, I want to thank you for the job you're doing, and
Thank
I'm
you so
really
much.
happy and grateful the way everything is turning out, in our own favor from our superior leader, Mazi Onyendu Kanu or Hamadike One Ndi Igbo, and the job Simon Ekpa created the atmosphere which we are doing now, which he asks us to. We are going to next phase, and we are seeing it the way everything is happening. I don't want to talk about about all these shenanigans, what they are doing, they are distraction. But my prayers is sooner or later we all come back to our own land, with joy and happiness.
You see?
This is all I'm wishing for our people. One day, all these things will be over. I've been away for 15 years. I visit my country, in the sense, or just once in a while. We are not happy being away, but just because, our land is not safe,
Yeah.
like
I understand.
you are living abroad, you will understand. We go out at night at any time, you do anything, or you can just only be victim, not like hoping that it's safe outside. But we're praying one day our country, which we are building right now, will benefit each and every one of us.
You see?
Be happy to be home. Thank you, my brother. Please keep the good work you are doing. Keep spreading the gospel. We are listening. Real Biafrans are listening over the world. Some people don't have the opportunity to speak or to contribute, but within their mind and their hearts, there's so much belief. There's so much belief. One day, all these things will be a story. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you. I appreciate.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother.
And we have Greg is with us. Let's hear from you, Greg, before we move forward, because we still have some few things to talk about before we end the program. Let's hear from you. Unmute your mic, Greg. Greg, are you there?
Hello, Mazi.
You're welcome, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening to you.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much for the opportunity given to me. Thank you. Happy weekend to Biafrans as we continue moving. Yes, Maz, I just listened to your this thing. You talked about Madam Mazoka and Remigius making the same kind of comment and tweeting the same kind of tweet and being the same page. You know, there is one thing the Biafrans must understand. Number one, I'm not trying to say that Dr. Ngozi Reveze is perfect. I have not seen any perfect person or perfect government or perfect human being. There is one thing people must understand. There is difference from what we are doing and different from being an opposition in a running government. What we are doing is freedom fighting. We have not formed original government like they can say Trump and that's the Republican Party and the Democratic Party. We have not formed. I want to use the government that is functional, not a dirty government in Nigeria, because there is no government in Nigeria. So we have not having a party like in my place here. They have CDU, SPD, that is functional, that you can criticize your opposition in some policy. Rather, what we are doing is we are fighting for our freedom. We are standing against an enemy that wants to make sure that we don't exist. We are fighting to be free so that we can organize a good government where people can have opposition party and criticize their opposition party. So what we are doing now is not where you criticize an opposition party like the Republican Party in America and Democrat. So what am I trying to say? What we are doing now is freedom fighting. And in freedom fighting does not mean that everything that you do will be correct. But what you will judge is what is the intent of that action. I will give you one example. Last 2 weeks, my admin here, there is something letter they post to me when I came back one evening. So I suppose send my address for them to post me something. So as I was typing that my address, so I made a mistake in post, call it in here, post Lansal. That's the kind of postal number or whatever, the city number or whatever. So I made a mistake from that. Every other address, the street is correct, my name is correct, but that postal number. So I didn't know when I typed and I made a mistake. So they posted this letter, and that letter didn't come to me. So after some time, I waited and said, so the day I say, when I get home, I will react. I will ask, what is holding the letter? He told me there is a letter. So, and before I get home, she already reacted and asked me that if I had gotten the letter, what is this? So I wrote back as I was driving. I responded that message and said, I have not gotten any letter. So then say, how can that be? So they start checking the time the letter was sent to me and why must I have not gotten it? So then he said I should check address. I said the address I sent to you was correct. He told me it was correct. Then what happened? So he said, okay, she sent me the address I sent her. So when I cross-checked the address I sent her, I found out that I made a mistake when I was typing that number. You see? So, but maybe if it is a kind of public something, or if there is any problem, you will see some people will term it. He didn't want anybody to know his address. He's fake. He's this and he's that. So, because there is no love and because there is no understanding, try to get where I'm going.
Yeah, I understand what I'm saying.
Because there is no love and there is no understanding, and they want to put your name in a negative way, where people will call you a bad person or a betrayer, because of lack of trust. And because of those evil ones that are inside will always want to paint you evil first, so that they will cover their evil deeds.
Exactly.
So now, after when I get to my call, I say, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. It was my own fault, and I wanted to badge you to this afternoon. I say, what is holding this letter? So I went to the post. They say no, there is no information. Then I called, I said no information, and they said the person who posted this letter is supposed to go back to the post where she sent it. So, and surprisingly, I came back yesterday, I opened my letterbox, I found the letter.
Wow.
So, so why I try to do this is I just bring out a kind of the criticism that they are criticizing Dr. Ngozi Arabeze from our sister. I loved her so much when she was in this game, in this battle, Madam Azoka.
You are not alone. So, you are not alone.
So
she was loved by everybody.
Yeah, but the problem we Biafrans have, I hate in anything you do, you try to maintain a kind of cabal. You maintain some group of friends who will fight for you. You maintain some people who will back you, whether you are doing good or you're doing bad. I did not like that kind of system. The system I would love is, look, every day I come to this your platform, I don't know you, you don't know me, but we agree that we are fighting for freedom, for our own freedom. So I have no reason to come and start attacking Mazikai, whom I don't know from nowhere. But we agree to get our land free. So when I see that Kai made a mistake, my duty to call her as a loving brother. You might do something in your own way with a thinking that might be a mistake or it might be a negative in any way.
Yeah.
You might do it in a very clear mind, but I might see it in a different way. So it is my duty to call, say, my brother, this thing is not good. This is why I said this. And then you might have your reason for doing so and so thing, because not every information you are not finding in this very fighting for freedom. So, but everything, if there is any mistake or you suspect there is something that is not done the way you think that's supposed to be done, you came out and you start attacking that your brother, your sister. Because you were not in that position. Because you are not the person that did it. So, and when I come to correct you, Kai, with hate, even though that thing might be a mistake, it will not, because of you find out that I'm not coming to correct you with love. I'm not coming to correct you because of a mistake, but I'm coming to show the people that you are not good person, you are bad, you are a betrayer, you are this, you are that. So if that thing would have corrected something in what we are doing, you will not listen to it.
At all.
Because I did not come to you with a good heart or with a good mind to create something that will help me and you in what we are doing. I don't know if you're getting where I'm going.
Yes, I do. I understand what you're saying.
And that is what people That is what some people don't understand, or maybe they're doing it intentional, or maybe their knowledge, they don't have that kind of spirit. So that is why I used to tell people, when you are going to a meeting or you're going for anything, go with a very pure heart. If you're the kind that always when you go to meeting, you want to fight everybody, pray against that spirit. It's not a good spirit. Pray to God to give you a tolerating mind so that you will be able to work with people for the cause of the freedom you're fighting for. Not when you go, you are going to that meeting, you leave your house, you take your time to join the meeting, and you will not control your spirit. Instead, you let your spirit to turn a tiger against the people you are doing that meeting for. That is not the spirit we want. So, I'm not trying to say that anybody is perfect. But when God chooses somebody, and you see that person, that this person have been choosing, he did not fight for that. It's just like when President Jonathan was put on the seat after the death of Yaradua. He did not fight for it. This is merited to him. So what will you do? You support him to make sure that the country work. That is the same place that Ngozo Reweze fall in. Instead of people to come and know that the woman doesn't have the capacity, know that the woman doesn't have the knowledge, not that this woman doesn't have the love to do that, but because of their hate and jealousy and wickedness of what they want to achieve, they start from day one. Immediately when they took away the prime minister, they started working against anything that will happen that will make Biafra to come with their different agendas. Some came in because Nigerian government paid them. Some came in because they hate Dr. Ngozi Oraveze. Some came in because they want to make money, and this woman will be on a stumbling block. Many of them have different reasons. Yeah. And because all of them have different reasons, they join together to fight Dr. Ngozi Oraveze, and that is why you see them, they are falling out today. Because they don't have the same goal. They are not fighting for freedom. If their mind we are fighting for freedom, immediately the PM was there. They know whom the mantle fall upon, and they will back that person and to start correcting if there is anything. That's why I don't want to hear anything from this old woman that they call herself. I don't know, and they so-called the mother. They are all failure, and they are all betrayers. They all disappoint. They are elderly. This kind of people is not worthy to live in Biafra land. I'm telling you, not to kill them, but according to the elderly people in the Biafra land, what does that mean? An elderly man that finds the truth and denies the truth is not worthy to live. That is the word of God, it's not from me. So you cannot tell me you're an elderly person and you're deceiving children, your grandchildren. Then if I do it, I'm not worthy to live. Not to show them that I'm not trying to put any curse on them, but it is a word that is already original before the Bible we read and before the Igbo people's culture. So what are we talking about? That people should come and fall in the right channel. If there is a mistake that is made, it has to be correct with love and not with hate, and start blackmailing the woman for nothing. You start lying against her and you come out, you tell people that you are a woman of God in the church. I don't know the kind of church you attend to. So my brother, what I'm trying to say is, this, our sister, that is Madam Azoka, the woman was fighting for freedom, but when you start making mistake and you don't want to take corrections, then it leads you to failure. That is the point. But was she real? That was perfect. She was real. I cannot deceive you. So, but when you made a mistake and they tell you this thing you did was wrong, and even when the prime minister that you were very close to did not even abuse you or do anything, but the pride could not let her to come back. That was her mistake.
You know, the thing is that we have not even talked about her. I just mention, because there's something, this scripture that I just displayed, we have not gone through that here on this program for a reason, because I want some of you to talk because of the time. I noticed that some of you want to say something before then. Then, if time permits, we are going to, if not, then maybe in our next broadcast we're going to revisit. But what you said about it is spot on. You are spot on that. Thank you so much, my brother. God bless you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Then we have Deji. You are here before. Ocean Master, please permit me to welcome Deji. He was here before, and I think network kicked him out. And I don't know if he sounds like fall back. Let us see. Deji, your mic is open. Let's hear from you.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Hello. Are you hearing me, sir?
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you. Right on.
Okay. Hello. Good evening. I'm depending on location Biafra all over the world. I'm using this opportunity to greet all Biafrans. Though this is my first time of coming to your broadcast, to your live broadcast, and I so much love it. All I have to say, I only have 2 to 3 things to mention to say. And number one thing is that I can see the guy comment that maybe Solomon Nwankwo, he said that maybe Dr. Ngozi or Abueze or Apulani that is working with Nigeria agents of a team, right? All I have to say about that, I only believe one thing. Not everybody that is talking about Biafra, that is know what is Biafra. You understand? Bible said that many are called, but few gonna be chosen. In the situation whereby Alamafutazi here as a thing that some people just think that this is play things. I can just come and say whatever I like. So that people will be commenting, people will be replying to my statement of a thing. Biafra is real. Biafra is all Baraka no. Just like my brother who go 247 kuru. Us ne had so Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And ya dey so Simon Ekpa. And ya dey so DPM. No if I dey so can one so. In which Biafra I dey so can one so. That likewise no one so. Biafra can dey so. Mana ọ na ngwọta ọ na-abịa check egi futazine. Biafra ka ị na-eso. Nsowegi. I got them. Because Alamafo at times one you see a child France. I died your Rama. On a main life. Alamafo to the mother the life. The mother and Etoya and a praise here. After yourself, I've done this world. Satan has the most of the populations. I got them. All I know, Mazikai.
Brother, I will. Himself, no, you fall back. But if I'm not coming now, yeah, he's still got alone. You're going to pull. Anyway,
no, I don't have fall back. I start with DPS.
If I'm job on the buy never, where you get my get you come to fall back. But not like he can do their own. It was the argument always make me laugh. The joke crack me up. I just laugh. My brother, you are spot on. If you could, why ain't you laugh for so long about that now? Animal like we'll give you time. Before Solomon, if I show you my block industry, it's just few people that are there. I don't block people with the speed, but Solomon keep on pushing for block. He want people to block you. I told you to come here, you don't want to come. Now, Gina Duru, I have given you the right to remove and to block based on your comment. So now I want you to block Solomon, kick him out of the platform. Gina, because I can't see anybody with spanner. Our brother that normally do that is the one that gave us super chat now. He's not active for some time now, which is Armstrong we are seeing here. He's one in a million. So he don't see this kind of comments. He will just kick them out. Maybe I'm going to reshuffle my spanner box. Some of the people that I have spanner here that are not doing anything, I'm going to drop them maybe this week. I will drop some of them.
Yes, for you to know the real people that is ready for Biafra. For what of all those people in our phone now?
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. You have spoken well. I love what you said. You are right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. And I will expect you to keep on coming. So always follow us. Always come here and make your contribution. We welcome everybody.
Keta mean your daily broadcast. Cause just like Mazi David Havertz, or like 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. in the morning, call the make here. Man, I get on Keta mean a make.
Nah, my brother, what can give us welcome time more. Welcome time, but many time from 2-3 Nigerian time. Expect me to come from 2-3
every day.
For now and every day, yes. For now and every day. You know what?
Okay. So that make the new Biafra people to follow you.
Do you have my WhatsApp?
No, sir, I don't have it, sir.
You don't have my WhatsApp number? Okay, I'm going to display my WhatsApp number here. So you can just tell me that you are the one that called me today. Then let us discuss something about, because I think you are very, very vibrant. I'm looking for an admin also on but because sometimes I don't know how to let people that we are coming live, you know, that kind of thing. But some people actually believe that I'm a kind of person that feel that if I say that kind of thing, people will believe that you will start thinking that I cannot do program without them, because I don't want people to say that you are my God. I hate it. I don't want to act like you are God. Yeah, so
all you need to do, if na 8 o'clock in the night, time ịchọ ị na-etinye ya, onye ọbụla kwetere na Biafra na-eso gị, just like Mazi David Havertz, o nweta ma o tinyere nke ya, all those people o nweta ka anyị nwa mara unu nwa na-eme broadcast anyị kwesịrị na-eso, ọ bụ all those fallback group oge ekere akparawa nwaanyị isi ọcha na France nke ebe a na-akpọ ya vagabond. That is just okay, $1,000 every month. Ojimaka $1,000 they betrayed a Biafra struggle, our PM dosere. Imagine all those people. Man, God of Biafra has started scattering them, and God of Biafra will fight them to the last call. I got four.
That's so bad, my brother. You want to know why? If I need more here. You want to I'm just on the fan half.
They go pack illiterate full for body. They come to wash their brain. They wash their brain. Imagine say at that day for that matter, that illiterate. When she not even speak English. Even 5 seconds like this. Call your anything you go. Oh yeah, like they oh governor, madam DPM, and after all, our DPM, madam Dr. Undola, how they call this woman alpha? Or they acquire that Orama alpha. Man, that Orama put on no from morning till night. Alpha DPM go na agree. Give it master here. After that, I only believe one thing. It's only using our DPM to make more to get more fame. Okay, what I call Giafaya now the popular. That's what I can only say about her. Because she's a useless woman.
Don't worry, time with her.
Okay, sir.
If Bafa doesn't mean much, you know. Or not Bafa, or not Bafa Kaleria. You got to go. All Kaleria 100 times. You know, all Kaleria. Armstrong is here. Armstrong is the one that, my goodness. Forget about this batch. I'm talking about those that followed me from day one. Imagine everybody in here span before on this platform. Finally, us na have John the fallback. Apart from Armstrong and our mommy, Happy Women. These are people that started then, and they are still here. And they'll cause on in itself. How about fun? And the Yoruba man, I'm sure must know the place I'm talking about, because one of the spanner holder here, Dele or whatever he called himself. God chatting, they made it stop. He was disturbing me to fall back privately.
No. Yoruba ka amụrụ ana m asụ Yoruba, ana m anụ Yoruba nwe oge ndị Yoruba na-apụta eji Sunday Igboho egwuregwu. A na-abịa agụ Sunday Igboho with all their strength to make sure that the guy dị okay. Mana ndị ka ya ebe nọ a na-akọ eri ndị nke ahụ imagine.
Ọ bụ na doctor if you see bụ n'afịa, not the possible. Aka gị protest na pịa the doctor. Ọ bụ na ife a na-egote na shopping mall, na ị ga na pharmaceutical shop, pick a doctorate degree. Anagolia is waiting enough and this is the kind of
Okay, sir.
My brother, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Let's
Just you need to advise all those followers. Make them will not cause decide them because all those groups they be them now them be the Judas where they inside 12 disciples. Now them be the Judas where they for the 12 disciples. That time, Mark Namdi Kanu said that he need other people to get Biafra. Someone told him that he has 50 already. So all those people now, they are the Judas, go. We no want me Biafra to come. Okay, see, Mazi Rose. Oh God, I go okay, Kere. Now you are Kurian, okay, Kere, another 150 million plus from Enugu State government. No, also no, I say, cause sue Enya to court. Yeah, get proof Enya. No, is it called Gaganata. I'm a Mazi Rose.
I'm Rose.
Now, imagine. In a
different number na screen now. You can screenshot a screenshot. That's my WhatsApp number. Well, I know all we actually to before I welcome my brother here. A lot of people, Greg has spoken. Biafra is my home. Our brother is here with us, and we have Ozeo is here, Ocean Master. These are reasonable, sensible Biafrans. Everywhere. Tomorrow, Hannah door. Next day, Hannah door bathroom. We go to number. You go there.
Okay, can chat.
Phone every 9 na screen. Just make screenshots. So can me copy it there.
Can check here.
So we have somebody here. Konde Bafagi. Amaricha. Okay, Omaricha. Fine. What are I? No. Okay, Omaricha, whatever you call yourself. Don't get away. I have a response to you before we welcome our people here. I have a response to you because Imana Onagarabon Baraka na ebo come no yokulekuna no the way. Everything in my hand. We are going to respond to you. Deji, have you taken that? My brother, have you taken that? Hello? Okay. My brother, we cannot, we have given you enough time. So let's go. We have this lady here, or this woman, I don't know who you are. I said, but sir, you said you're a content creator, not a freedom fighter. No, not this comment. This one is part of it, but another here. You said, according to Mr. Collar, you want to follow freedom fighters or content creator. Good and fine. Amaricha, I am a content creator. I'm even your name issue. I'm you got an occasion on the one why is because it didn't patak again because more back again. So what is a content creator? Until you know the definition of a freedom fighter, then I will respect you. There's a difference between you are supporting freedom, you love a lot of freedom than the freedom fighter. I'm a content creator, proudly content creator. So what about you? Your own freedom fighters, Amaricha, what are they doing? They are the ones that read charter. They read charter for you, and they told you that Ogenkere is the best. They rushed with Ogenkere and they streamed their Ogenkere fundraising after reading charter. Then when Biafran begin to throw questions and this one I'm not trying to single one person out, but you know what I'm talking about. A lot of them, if you begin to pick the activities, you notice that non-content creators are more honorable than them. Okay, they are more honorable than them. So how about it? But you can say the link is here. Why don't you follow the link and come and ask me that question? Freedom fighters that are not showing their face, then content creators showing their face. How about it? Ozwa. Let us welcome who is next? Okay, Biafra is my home. Let's hear from you. Biafra is my home.
Yeah, Mazikai Onyezufu, good evening from here. Sorry for my video on Anom Hall, but I have just maybe 30 minutes break and we are YouTube ozugbo. I'm only here. I greet everybody in the house inside the parliament right now. I greet all of you. This Biafra is my home TV. I want to start from somewhere that I feel like for me it's very important to me by asking questions for Imam Maduabo and the fallback republic. Then I get Imokana village. They are my content with at this first century. Then also I made in the CRC Republic of Aburu Park in Opiwe Konisha. Ajuju. I want to ask them who inaugurated Mazin Nnamdi Kanu in the film of Biafra. Who is the person who inaugurated him and endorsed him to start work? If they can give us an answer, then I will know that they know what they are doing. And they also ask them who also inaugurated Mazin Simon Ekpa. Before, if they can find these two answers, and they would let them answer us. Chike Doziem in DOS, who inaugurated him after Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. If there's anything about that we are swearing somebody in, who swear Chike Doziem in DOS? Now, is it because of this is a woman, or because of she's now among those you like, or because of you see that she can never allow you to steal in the name of Biafra anymore, and the plans people have at hand has been executed? There is one thing I want us to know. It's very, very important. When Mazi Simon Ekpa is with us here, they have already sold him and changed the document already. It's not after when they sold Mazi Simon Ekpa, when they betrayed him, our PM, is when they start changing the document. The document has already been changed. They have already been do the election that they're going to put Ogenkere there before this day, because they know there is one thing that people, they don't need to confuse someone like me. And when I sit down to think, I say, oh, this is why they're doing what they are doing. Do you know why? From the word of Obatobie, airborne means moving forward, do not look back. And from that word, airborne, Obatobie continuously pushing that word, triggering that word, the extent of in everything he is doing, in all his ending of any program, or in the midst of addressing Biafran people, he will choose that word, airborne. Where are you heading to? Is the question. Where Obatobie heading to? Obatobie only heading to only one place. What is that place? Real declaration of independence of the United States of Biafra as a new nation. That is where the airborne is moving. And that is the final bus stop for every Biafran. Now, when you bring question I ask about Chike Doziem, why the DOS did not elect anybody on behalf of Mazin Nnamdi Kanu? Why is it in our time of Mazi Simon Ekpa that the people, now Imam Maduabo, who authorized him to swear somebody in or to inaugurate anybody? Did the Mazi Simon Ekpa inaugurated Imam Maduabo as a next chairman or as what in the Biafra movement? Before I go further, Imam Maduabo has conflict resolution. Now, can they ever prove only one case they have treated squarely when Mazi Simon, our PM, is with us here? Can they just prove one they have treated without Obatobie and it gets solved? And the people will think they can solve problem. They cannot solve problem because no the only way Imam Maduabo push Chukwu Okabiama use Petty to say the senior advocate of one Nigeria. I hope you know that today that these people let that word to lie low, because coming from their camp, wish that anybody or you and I, anybody call any member of the cabinet member senior advocate of one Nigeria. I want to know that by today that word should be everywhere. The person they are following is somebody who are with them. The so-called Petty said that this man is a senior advocate of one Nigeria. You know, there's some things will happen to you lie low, but when you go deep down to think where that word is coming from, then you will know who that person is representing. Now, Imam Maduabo, why the DOS did not inaugurate DOS? Because they know where the chain of their command they fall. Now, in the chain of command of Obatobie, who is COS? If it means there is anybody to endorse in this group, is supposed to fall in the office of COS, not any other person outrightly. Like example, in the zoo, when you have, let me use a president, give you an example. When the president is not there, the vice can go, even a president can send their vice to go and inaugurate anybody or swear anybody in on his own behalf before whatever he is or the way he chooses to do it. It happens to every vital position in every vital organization. So Imam Madu, I want to tell you that you are just fooling yourself. Maybe no here and there say no Kenya ruala no ego and one no Imam Madu ebe no na ega he make since over these years in America. You feel like selling Obatobie, change the document to Ogenkere. You think that you can use Ogenkere and dump people. Ogenkere now told you, no, you have elected me. I can never let it go. I will be here. Why all of them know that they have sold and removed Mars and they can Mars Simon in bridge documents? They have all planned it out before this day. That is why you see them doing what they are doing, creating more confusion, more problem to those who want to be confused and those who need confusion to be on their head. Because somebody like me, I believe in one thing. I am not supporting Gozo Arabeze. I am not supporting my Simon, but I am supporting that Biafra that he's pushing, and I said because of he's doing it in the right way. I said yes, let me follow him. Nobody, never is nebu onye bonyoma. Asigi na enwego onye bonyoma motu. So nyoma enwere n'okwu nwere onwe a na-abụ any camp ọbụla ada dị ọra mmanụ so si ya bụ onye ọma. Ebe si na nne mmadụ abụ onye ọma, nna ya abụ onye ọma. N'ọsọsọ Chukwu oke abịa mana nwa ya bụ ndị ọma ewechigazie azụ right now.
My brother, I want to make it no camp, but I don't know no about ndị
As na go no nwere egwu agro wee sị gị onye bụ onye ọma na mmadụ nke ụwa sị gị na enweghị onye bụ onye ọma. Today, the fallback and CRC na-egosi anyị n'ọsọsọ kampara dị ọra ma bụ ha bụzi ndị bụ ndị ọma n'ụwa karịa Chineke bi n'igwe. Yes. So also how bụ ndị ọma. Once you are not in their camp, you are a betrayer, you are a sabo, you are Ngozi Oba Fulani, you are this, you are that. Mana ihe dị n'ụwa bụ na ọ na-agbasa ọsọ agụọ mmanya. Debe anyị wee sị na akwụla ga-ebe akwa nwa n'ụla nka. Because ihe ọbụla na-eme now, the karma in Biafra movement are real and they happen very fast. So Imam Maduabo coming to do all this shenanigans, he knows that a time like this, they have been planning it before this day. They thought that Obatobie could have been arrested by June. That is why the movement of Mars and Mars Simon bears prove that they removed his name in bridging when? On September. Because they know that if Obatobie is here today, he stands on that mandate of the United States of Biafra that he endorsed with Imam Maduabo, with all of them who voted with over 70-something votes about this name, that unity will declare that we are going to use the name United States of Biafra. In my conclusion, I always use this word. Ojukwu did not get recognition when he declared independence of Biafra. And because of no recognition, he didn't say, let me fall back to answer Eastern region. Then when the Ivory Coast, when Finland, when some country who believe and recognize Biafra then come and recognize us, then we'll now fall back and start using them of Biafra as an independent nation. Stop being deceiving people, and you who are deceived, pray for yourself to come out. Recognition is the last thing in this movement. And recognition will come from small country, not from the big country. But if it is happened, that is the will of God. Nothing like elect or not elect. Obatobie elected Ngozi Arabeze by making her the COS. Elected her by saying she's the surrogate. Elected her by telling her to take the mandate. Like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Electing Obatobie said, you must follow him. that he has come with a new dimension. The new dimension is what? United States of Biafra. Whether you like it or not, we have only one goal: to defend our land, to get recognition, to submit our document with which name? United States of Biafra. If that is not what you are talking about, one penta, it is confused. Thank you so much. Let me continue with my job.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Biafra is my home TV. You are welcome. Let's hear from Ozil. Is it Ozil or before Ozil Ocean Master? Who is the first? From here is Ozil. Okay, Ozil, let's hear from you.
Yeah, good evening, Biafra. Master, good evening.
Good evening to you, Wandem Madu. You're welcome.
Okay. Yes, just like our leader used to say, our PM always said, I see, don't allow devil to enter you. Don't allow devil to enter you. While our onion do always says, don't allow them to buy you over. As for money, we exchange hands, but never give up. Never allow them to buy you over. Here they may hand them more. Biafra's freedom is more of 90% spiritual, 10% physical. But most times people don't understand. You understand? Regards to Imam Madabo action, he knows that what he did is very 100% illegal. He knows that what he did on that very day, he was making all the whole shenanigan of swearing in of APM or whatever. All those things are just the caricature. They just want to make. They just want to, their mission. They didn't succeed. Their mission. Honestly speaking with you, their mission they didn't succeed. They wanted to divert. You know what these guys did? Divert the whole attention of the Biafran struggle to themselves. But to tell you what we are doing here is more of spiritual. You saw how everything went. You understand? After the whole storm, that normally there must be storm. After the whole storm, what is happening? Now the so-called Imam Marabe again, Anek Chairman, Jiga of Nigeria, now came into again, say he has suspended his APM for months. Very funny. You understand? Very funny, Because why? They couldn't succeed on their aim. They allowed themselves to be bought over. They allowed themselves, devil to use them. These two freedoms goes with two force. Do not allow yourself to be bought over, and don't allow devil to use you. These two key phrases always be. Our two leaders always saying it. And when you look at yourself, that these two things you are avoiding it, my brother, you will find out that you will be always falling into the right path in each time of maybe there is anything like crisis. Because when they know that they cannot buy you over, they will leave you. But when you know that devil will not use you, you find out that you're always working with that rightful spirit, which is the spirit of Biafra. Because Mazen Nanikal always said that when the spirit of Biafra enters you, you abandon your family, you abandon everything, and you will be possessed with the spirit. And that's how it is. And it's always on the heart of every Biafran. You understand? It's always on the heart of every genuine Biafran. The reason why you will know that you are not being, devil will use you. Don't be so emotional. That's another way you can overcome being used by the devil. Don't be emotional. Because this freedom of Biafra is not all about emotion. Mazi said that they will kill us. They will kill them. He said it. They will kill us. They will surely kill us. We have been dying since 1930-something till now. Did you forget that Kumek warriors? It's 1930, if I'm not mistaken. 30-something years, British fought with Biafrans. Is it today they have started killing us? So why must we be rushed and make a hell of a mistake that will jeopardize what we are doing? Can't you take it slowly? Get it right this time around? Our two leaders are in. You want someone else to be falling in too, so that every ship will sink. You don't need to be emotional. As for they are killing us, they are already be killing us for more than, if I'm not mistaken, more than 100 years ago. They are be killing us. So if they kill us today, it doesn't matter. The most important thing, get it right this time around. Let us stop making a hell of mistakes. Which our DPR have been carefully following the laid down rules. I love that woman. I love her styles. That's why when people call her all manner of names, I laugh at them. They want to push the woman, and she's not someone that you can push around. I love her on that. She's not someone you can push around. She don't need to be pushed around. Because if you allow yourself to be pushed around, you will fall into their traps. Imam Marab know what he did. You know what he did. He know he's one of the just it's normal. What they did is even normal. It strengthens our struggle. It makes us to be wise. It makes us to know who is the enemy within and filter them out. You can see how they are falling one after the other. Look at the crisis in the four-bar republic, Charter Republic. The faceless one there claiming Mr. Know-it-all, Mr. Righteous one. Look at the idiot talking no matter of nonsense, saying Ngozi is not doing that. You want Ngozi to do push-up every day. Is that what we are here for? That's not what we are here for. Prime Minister tell you that you will sleep in Nigeria and wake up in Biafra. What that means? He said, I will bring Biafra in diaspora. What that means to you? It means that you must do this, you must do underground work. You must do diplomatic movement. You need to secure, you need to have allies. So that when you are fighting, do you know what the country you are fighting to? Nigeria. Do you know the country Nigeria? The giant in Africa. The most populated black race in the whole world. Do you think that is an easy going to country? My brother, let us tell ourselves the truth. You think Nigeria is an easy going to country? It's only Biafra that can challenge Nigeria. No tribe have ever do it. No tribe have ever challenged Nigeria and stand. No tribe in the history of Nigeria. No tribe ever did it. It's only us that challenge them and stand. And that's why they're always afraid of us.
Are you still there?
But what we are doing in them more is more spiritual. I keep on saying this. It's more spiritual. And don't allow yourself to be bought over. And don't allow devil to use you. Because if you eventually do, you will regret. Look at the man Barabona. He said that he was not tense. He wasn't intense. How could he be intense? You don't need to be panic. You don't need to be intense. You know that within himself he is not comfortable. You know that if we have done in the freedom of Biafra, his name has been written. His name has been written somewhere. He will jeopardize our freedom. He jeopardized our freedom. Because if Imadabo did not support Ogonkere, Ogonkere could not have his way. He is the one that made him APM. Now he wants to retrieve APM. No way. He can never retrieve him. He cannot even suspend him. What basis do you use to suspend him? Who the hell are you to suspend him? Ogonkere still remain the APM. He can never suspend him. He must be there because he chose him to be there. That they used to say that creator, be careful of what you are creating. Be careful of what you are creating because what you create might be against you one day. They might be against you because he will create a monster that will swallow you. Now he has created a monster. Why is he running? He didn't think that he can suspend Ogonkere. Let us see how the game will play. Let's watch and see how the game will play because the game is very interesting every day by day. It's very interesting. But you can see you can see the destiny mandate, how stability they are, how mature they are, how the leadership are moving, how they're reciprocating themselves, how the movement is, how they are making all the necessary tweeting, talking here and there. You can see everywhere is hot. Go the international wing. Biafra have been hearing here and there. People are making those movements. People are making those contacts. Masanga is there hammering them. You know, people are making contact with him. Everywhere is hot for Nigeria. You understand? So people are making those contacts. They think that he's going to Finland to snap picture. People have made so many contacts underground. You wouldn't know them. He ran to the Finland and snapped picture, thinking that all is all about snapping picture.
My
They
brother,
said,
thank you. Thank you. You have made your point. I really appreciate
all
your
right, my
time.
brother.
Thank you. Let's hear from James. James, unmute your mic. Okay, James is busy. Triple M, of course. Triple M will not be here. He always Triple M, are you there?
Nwanne ọ dịkwa ka nọkwa m ya o.
Na Vigo bulu mic gị.
Anọ m ya na-ele anya na-eche oge ga-akpọ. Greetings, my fellow Biafran. Greetings to you, my lovely brother Kai Report. Onye eziokwu. Masị na ọchị na-efe efe. Idele onye na-achị ọchị. Anya n'ihu soro ya chebe ọchị. And I think what goes around will always find its way around. Nwanne gaghị akọ oroma ga-aghọrọ mango ife ịkọrọ ka ị ga-aghọrọ. Biko, my brother Kai Report. Greetings, my fellow Biafrans, my genuine people, the better people, the incredible and the most beautiful creature on earth. Those in comment section and those in listening ear. I greet each and every one of us in this cool evening as we wait for our fundraising in no distant time. I believe they have already started, if I'm not mistaken. Please let me ask this question. These people, the so-called Imam Madabu and all the rest of them, they just turn CRC, Conflict Resolution Committee, into something else. So all of the sudden, CRC has become the talk of town. Please, when our PM was here, we all know why the CRC was created, and it was the same the one issued in France. She has been causing problem here and there, with nothing to offer. That makes them to create this CRC. Then, after the creation of CRC, how many cases have they sorted? How many issues have they handled? Do you hear their name on air? Now bring it down to this criminal. Okay, Okongo na Agwofe. When our PM was there, have you seen him maybe in terms of any presentation or people carrying along in what we are doing? Have you seen this criminal man mentioned, his name being mentioned? Our PM already know them. That's why in order to keep them moving and see if they are doing something, they now regulated them to that particular area. You overheard our leader, our brother Mazi Ugo 247. He usually say that this same man they call the Imam Madhabu, let me call him by his name. This same man, if there is no issue for him to handle, they will go and create one. Now they now turn 360 degree, become the INEC of Brigi. They now turn all overnight, become the showmaker. Now if about Ramadan, that means this, and it was this same Ima criminal. It was him that orchestrated the letter they wrote. Within 48 hours, our PM is not being heard. They went and plot something. When they sent the letter to our DPM, our DPM brought it to the cabinet. They have to summon the CRC members to know why they are doing this thing, why they are writing this thing. And is it on their judicial to do such a thing? This criminal ran away. He never showed up. Now he's coming on camera every day. He ran away. Both him and his cohort, they all disappeared. The so-called Rubin Nadi and the Shobo commander, they call upon them because they are part and parcel of that particular stuff. They call them to come and explain on that, and they said they don't know about it. They shine away. Now look out. I keep saying it. You see these guys, thunder that will visit them. Amadioha that is gonna visit them. Press up. They can't go scot-free. They can't go scot-free. No wonder our leader Master Nikalu say it is not everybody that will shouting Biafra, Biafra. There are many people that Fulani Janjaweed brought out to confuse our people for you to believe that they are doing anything. Then, my fellow Biafrans, ask yourself, we are in 7th month after our redeclaration. What have they achieved? What have they shown you that this is what they have achieved? Even if it's not to show you what they have achieved so far, what roadmap have they showed you that this is what they are intend to do and where they are heading to? Let us not forget, this same group are the same people sitting on the front of chair when our DPM redeclared our precious nation. They muted. They were not happy. When you and I, we are jumping up, shedding tears of joy. These guys, we are muted because their plan A failed. They came back and started to plan B, which is what they are doing now. If they like, let them go to plan C. Everything has failed woefully. Dead on arrival. You see this man called Madabo? He will not die, yo. He will never die. He will be like this. He will be like this. And see what he brought upon himself. I pity his generation and his children. I yield. Thank you very much.
Chibwem, thank you so much. Thank you. We are trying to make sure that you end this as soon as possible. Let's hear from Ocean Master. James, if when you are ready, or Mucho Master, I can call you in because I think you are sleeping, or maybe you just joined and said maybe you are testing how the whole thing is working. Because I've called you before, you were not responding. Are you here?
Yes, I am here, but it's almost after 4 here in the morning. So I don't want to talk.
Oh, good morning to you. Your time. You're welcome.
Thank you.
After 4 at this time. After
yeah,
4
after almost to 4.
4 a.m.
Yeah, 4 a.m.
Wow. You're welcome, though.
I just wake up this Saturday, Sunday morning I still have to listen in. No, but not okay because of it's still early in the morning.
Okay, I think I can predict the country now. Yeah, continue.
You can predict the country, are you sure?
Yeah, I can.
Where?
Australia.
South Korea. You miss it.
North Korea.
South Korea.
South Korea. Oh.
South Korea.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you. Just I will be listening, please. I am around.
Okay, no problem. We are coming to an end. After Ocean Master now, we will call it a day.
Okay.
No thank you so much.
I greet all the Biafrans. We are together.
You're welcome. Ocean Master, let's hear from you if you are here with us.
Thank you, Mazikai. Good evening and a good morning, the brother from South Korea. I hope na onye South Korea kwa gị na Gaddafi ya bụrụ unu anọrọ n'ofu ụgbọ nwanna zekwalụ mbọ.
Ọsan ọkụ na Gaddafi n'ime o wegwede nọ na Switzerland ebe Chike dozie mụ nọ. So ha na-eme ekwesịsị ịghọta.
Yes.
I understand.
Anyway, yeah, greetings, Biafrans. I'm gonna be very, very brief because I'm very tired now. You see, this group called CRC. This CRC was dissolved. Number one is that they don't have any power, any authority to do anything to reinstall or install anybody. So they are operating on illegality, and anything operating on illegality can never hold. And the old man who have been causing confusion here and there, try to, betray Obatubi in so many forms. But Obatubi using wisdom on them. Now they are playing the full role of what they want to or what they are out for. That it will be a case of another day. There was something that the COS said sometime after the declaration. He said that there was an intel, she had an intel that these people wants to cause chaos on that 29th of November in order to make it as if there was problem so that the authorities in Finland will come and take over the place. If you remember, she said that. And at some time, she mentioned a name of this, what do you call him, Amubiara, that, which is Vam Vam Vam, that he was one of the person that they wanted to use to cause that chaos. Now, if you listen to what Vam 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 said recently, he said that if he knew what he know today, that he would have do everything, even if it leads him being in prison in Finland. That means a lot. Connected to this CRC, which most of them was part of the front seat that day, and was very, very furious to the happening of that moment. There is too many things concerning this CRC. This CRC brought the problem that this liberation face today. They are the architect of it. Then with the faceless unite, and today they are trying to remove the problem that they create. I don't know how, and it's backfiring on them so much. Anyway, Kai, I will not say much now because I need to take a little rest and wait for the fundraising. So, dear friends, I greet you all, and I thank you, Mazikai, for this opportunity. Thank you, and see you again.
Thank you so much, Ocean Master. God bless you. God bless you. Please, for our sister that is asking a question, Omaricha, your question is suspicious, but I told you already, you can ask me that question if you can come here with your voice. Then, because you cannot be typing and expect me to use my voice to reply you. So follow the link and ask your question. Because na ituluhana is ipotaba. It's supposed to go with the EG account potach where says. So let us just be honest to ourselves. If you have a question like that, follow. I have removed the link, but I can send it again. If you say yes, you want to ask, then I'll drop the link for you to come here and ask the question. If not, hold the question. Just hold that. Okay. I'm not gonna reply you on that. I've said something about it in the past, but for people like you, because one may read your question and think that you actually mean good. No, I know. Let me bring the question for people to see. Who is this person calling me? Just a moment. Hello. Yes. Yeah. Good evening.
Unmute yourself, sir.
Sorry, I didn't even know. Sorry. So where is our elected acting prime minister? Where is he? Honorable acting prime minister. Biafra want to see you, your beautiful face again. Yes. Wow.
Congratulations.
Once again.
Okay, you have been blocked because you are distracting everybody. So
I would like to talk to you one-on-one.
wait. So you want people to hear you, or you want to talk to me one-on-one? Do you want your voice to come out, or you want people to?
We move. Yes.
Oh, everyone.
Acting Prime Minister.
Yes. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Acting PM, you are muted. You have to unmute yourself.
Okay, my people. Sorry about that. We are going to end it now. God bless all of you, and especially our brother Armstrong. Armstrong, may God bless you and reward you mightily. And God bless all of you that joined me on the studio. From Greg, Madam Origin, Biafra is my home, Ozil, James, Triple M, Ocean Master, all of you that made attempt. I call you when he came in and he couldn't wait. He decided to run out. He checked out, and that is understandable. I don't know his maybe based on where he is and all that. So please, all of you that share the video and that like the video and comment, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. I'll see you again. Bye bye for now.